Hello guys, so how to manage queue on Spotify, how to add new songs to the queue and stuff like that. So basically you can access queue on the desktop app here, and you can see here the song which is now playing. Then you can see next songs in the queue, and then you can see what is next up. To add a song next to the queue, just click on the three dots here and then just add to queue. It will be added right next in the queue after like next song. To remove the song from queue, again you just click on three dots and then just click remove from queue. So that's about it. So that's how to add and remove items to the queue. You can also click clear, and then next in the queue items were deleted, and then you can just add new item which will appear next in the queue just here. So yeah, you can then access history. That's what was your history, and basically that's about it. It's super simple, but it's also a very useful feature which you can use on your Spotify.